As short-form content rises in popularity, YouTube has hopped on the trend by introducing YouTube Shorts, a new feature allowing users to watch or create vertical, short-form videos on the platform. While videos under 60 seconds aren't new on YouTube, Shorts' launch in 2021 signaled that the platform is ready to take on competitors like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Although Shorts wasn't always the best way to make money on YouTube, the platform has recently rolled out some updates, making it easier for creators to monetize Shorts. There are a lot of myths when it comes to the YouTube algorithm, and especially when it comes to YouTube Shorts. So before you start Googling how to make YouTube Shorts go viral, let's try to understand how the YouTube Shorts algorithm works. The algorithm pulls videos for viewers based on what it thinks are going to be the most satisfactory videos for them. So, in theory, your Shorts could get in front of viewers if the content matches their interests and preferences. In other words, the more relevant the content of a short video is to a viewer, the likelier it will be picked up by the algorithm and recommended to them. While you may be looking for a cut-and-dried formula to getting more views and achieving viral status on YouTube Shorts, in reality, it's not that straightforward. Rather than trying to appease the algorithm and cracking the viral video code, focus on consistently creating engaging content that speaks to your target audience. The views will come naturally over time. Give it an attractive title. Jump on trending music. With YouTube Shorts' built-in sound tool, creators can add popular songs from major labels to their videos without getting penalized. Besides trending music, keep an eye out for trending topics and viral video trends as well. Creating a great YouTube Shorts video inspired by a specific trend of the moment is a great way to attract new viewers.